Hey guys, this is Jade. I'm going to be making a rainbow slime with Sharpies. I'm actually using a new technique. I've never tried with baby oil. I'm going to be using some, I think baby oil is an activator. I'm not really sure. But if it doesn't work, I'll just use some Elmer's slime, magical liquid. And I've got some white glue, school glue right here. So I've got a clear bowl so you can all see what I'm doing. And after, I'm just going to make little chunks. And I'm going to be adding all these to different chunks. So now I'll just get the school glue. So now I'm going to only do a little bit. And that will do. Well, it's really full. Okay, so now we're going to be adding some baby oil. Like a little bit. It looks like an activator. Now let's mix. Oh yeah, it is. It's pretty cool. And plus, I think it makes it nice and smooth. Comment down below, guys. And remember, I'll give you a shout out. So my last shout out, it was Eru Snowden. So I'm just gonna mix this so it's all ready. Guys, I just added some activator because baby oil just makes it nice and smooth. So now, guys, I'm just going to pull this, well, really good slime out. And I'm going to add red to this. So I'm going to do it in rainbow color. So I'll just need this to make it all ready. Okay, now, guys, I'm just going to be adding the Sharpie. My hands are so slippery from that slime. Because of the baby oil. And plus, these are brand new. Okay, now let's add it. Well, I should have put the lid on. I think it'll turn out pink. I hope not. Because I really want to make this red so I can put it into a rainbow. Of course it will turn pink because red and white make pink. I think. And I'm right. Baby oil makes this slime so soft. Okay, guys. Meet you back when it's pink red. This is how red I could get it, guys. You can't really see, but it's kind of like a really, really bright pink. So, I really, really wanted it to be like really red. Not like pink. This isn't really working because of the baby oil. So guys, I'm not going to make a rainbow slime, so I'm going to be doing different videos on different colors. So come back for part 2 of making iron slime. Bye guys, remember to like and subscribe in this video, and I'll do the link in the description for my TikTok account.